Hey folks, here's a project I've been working on. It's just a simple flashlight I built. Um, it's an odd configuration. There's a 12-volt battery on one side of this wooden platform, and a 300-watt 12-volt inverter on the other side, which does the switching and inversion. So it'll take any size light bulb you want to put in it, which is obviously a virtue, but it's very simple and easy to build. I had all the parts lying around except for the battery. Um, the only caveat with it is that there's a slight warm-up time between the ballast and the LED and the inverter itself, and maybe even the battery. I don't know about that. It's a lithium iron phosphate battery, but um, yeah. So anyway, um, seems to work pretty good. It should take any bulb up to a stadium-sized LED, so it'd be useful for spotlighting anything at night, or even in a power emergency. You could just screw a tiny room-sized LED into it. It's entirely up to what you have on hand. So, great for prepping or whatever. All right, thanks for watching.